This 2018 Thor Motor Coach Tuscany 45 is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Thor Motor Coach is 44 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Moonstone Decor, high-gloss glazed Pacific Cabine interior, sleeps 6, water heater, leveling jacks, stove top burner, self-contained, slideout, TV antenna, awning, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, skylight, and 91 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bath and a half, bunk over cab, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2018 Thor Motor Coach Tuscany 45AT is built on a Freightliner XC-Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.